Myntri katanat puli puthi ke jela mikhalia rakam e sangma ulayalam ninti da nuksa shakipat ba bakin bu e kajing shania ha kajing shakri jong ki baskul balathiet da sarkar bat kani ka nuksa ka long da ba phah skul yala ka jong ka khun manla ka smi da ka bos sarkar urakam lo ang ba sarkar kla dep thiet ye buntli ki bas benit shaw bat let on ye ki khana shaki skul ba pher ha shillong Relingo apat banyu i baduna bha ki mi ki pa bakin phah skul yala ki khun da ki ni ki bas bathiet ka sarkar Namar katao lakin tui ki kimi ki pa bakin aya ke jing shania ka jing penya jong ka sarkar bat bakin phah skul no ya laki khun da kini ki bos skul ula pentip bakini ki bos skul ki ki bedon ki kor GPS ka bala ban pentip shanu bakalej bat shanu bakadon ha kanu nu ka por bat kum ta ki kimi ki pa kimdei ban khuslai ya kini ka jing penya ula penrap baka sarkar kla penti kinaru ban bu ya baro ki sin jam ki basngan bat kla thungru ki brio ki la dep hikai pentibit bakin kimi ya ki khinna
because and sending in the bus and in the evening she's coming back in the bus only. So like because I have a confidence in the system in the bus because being monitored with a tracking system, I knows where this bus has reached, whether it's reached the school or not, what time it's coming back. So this GPS, I don't know the GPS system is there in the bus, so I can understand what time bus will reach and where it is stuck now. So therefore, I just trust in the system and also it's time like to call it save the time also because if we drop her to the school, I have to assign extra person to drop her again and to bring her back, and in the process I have to spend another vehicle, right? No the reason, but I think government has prepared all measures so that the system will work properly. GPS system, GPS tracking system, as I've said, every parents can track where children has reached the school or not, coming back. All this, I think so. And initial last year there was a few tackle, but this time I've been informed that the response is so good for the STEM, but that has been